Yo, what's up? We are now sitting in the BYD Atto 3 Evo. This is the upgraded Atto 3 with 76 kilowatt hour battery. Lots of improvements in the interior, all-wheel drive. When I checked my own videos, I didn't really find a headlight test of the Atto 3, the old Atto 3, you know, the front-wheel drive. So we need to test it now then. Let me see. Boom. Okay. Well, oh dear, that's the first deer right there. So yes, this is more typical Chinese car. It just doesn't spread that well. It doesn't have that strength in the, try now. Yeah, you see, it kind of lights up the trees ahead a little bit. I mean, it's not the worst I've seen in Chinese cars. Many Chinese cars, they tend to light only toward the center. Well, actually, it's not only Chinese, also Korean cars, and at some extent Japanese cars. Maybe it's just some Asian thing. Yeah, maybe they have so good headlights over there. I mean, it's also good street lights over there that they don't need good headlights. Yeah, you know, maybe they don't have dark roads in China. Yeah. So yeah. Whoa! Oh, the badger. Oh, you don't want to mess. Oh, it did the emergency thing. Okay, that was not the honey badger. Fortunately, we don't have honey badgers in Norway, Europe. Honey badger would not back down. They would try to bite the car. Yeah. But okay. Yeah, but I mean, at least it has some wideness, yeah, and some strength. So it's not as bad as the classic Ioniq. Oh, shots fired! Savage. Classic Ioniq is so efficient that it only uses 5 watt for high beam. Shit. But okay. Anyway, I mean, it's still okay-ish. Yeah, I would still get a LED bar if I had this car, if I owned the car. Oh yeah, I need to mention something. Let me see. Let me see. I have to find the light settings here. Where's the light? Exterior. Okay, here. Yes. When I got the car, the light settings were not at 0. It was at 2. Well, I at least adjusted it down. But I'm gonna show you. So we need a level place first. I actually see it better in low beam. Okay, here. So it was set to 2 there. I can set it to 5. Then it's even lower. Like, whoa, what the heck, man? So versus here, there. So it has been set correctly to 0 because we have no massive load in the trunk. There's actually no load in the trunk. So just wonder why the previous car tester set it to 2. Did they load a lot of stuff in the trunk, or a lot of people in the back, fat people in the back? I don't know, but yeah. So we have set everything correctly. Every time I have some bad reviews or not good results, I mean, with some cars, they always blindly claim that I haven't adjusted the lights correctly, but it has been adjusted correctly. Okay, let's do the farm inspection. It's not that green yet on the fields. Actually, it seems like they've been harva feltet litt, harva jordet. Yeah, that's what they've been doing. Okay. There, yeah, you have that line also. You can see better if I go down a bit. You can see that line, but yeah, because we are driving on the right side, not the left side, so they are not blinding oncoming traffic. But if you do this, yeah, you see there's some high beam at least. So I would say not the worst I've seen, but far from the best I've seen. And it doesn't do any turning in the curves. There was no matrix here, just on and off. I've done 1,000 kilometer challenge, and it is a bit aggressive on the oncoming traffic. So for actually, I switch it on. I switch off the auto high beam and I use manual instead. It was just too cringy to fire up the high beam against oncoming traffic. So yeah, but I mean it's still okay-ish. So depends where you're driving. If you're driving mostly in city or even motorway would work okay because the curve is not that sharp. Then these are okay lights. No need to upgrade anything. But if you drive on these kind of roads very often, or maybe you live in Lapland, then maybe you wanna get some LED bar upgrade. So yeah, not sure what else it is to say about these lights. So maybe as usual, I try to give it some score. What do you guys think? Should I even give it a 5? Maybe 4. Yeah, I think 4 out of 10. Yeah, something like that. It's not that great. So yeah, okay. Let's just get over to the lid area. We can test, by the way, since we are here now. If I test it on auto. Let me see. There. Okay, it actually wants to fire it up. Oh, no, okay, then when the street light comes, then it turns it off. Okay. Maybe it's adjusted for German regulation. But yeah, okay, anyway, that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.